How to turn off Facebook activity in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to the home page of the Facebook, and then you have to click on the three dots in the top right corner, three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the settings and privacy. After that you can click on the settings, and you have to scroll down until you see the off Facebook activity, and here you can see the off Facebook activity in your Facebook information tab. You have to click on the Facebook activity, and here you can see all these options, but you have to click on the clear history. You can see your history here, and then what you have to do is you have to click on the clear history, and then you have to click on the clear history again in the blue color, and then your activity has been cleared. And then what you have to do is you have to click on the manage your off Facebook activity. When you click on this, then here there is option of the clear history. When you click on the clear history, and then you can also clear the history here. And after clearing the history here, what you have to do is you have to click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the manage future activity. When you click on the manage future activity, you can see the manage future activity in the bottom. When you click on the manage future activity, you can see the future of Facebook activity. You have to turn toggle to this off, and then your future activity is turned off. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on the video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.